students, so the first question is that question number third, if sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 plus sine theta 3 equals to 3, then find the value of cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. So all that we have to do is just to find the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Okay, so this is a multiple choice question, MCQ type question, so only one will be correct out of the four. Okay, so this is given and we have to find the value of this one. ठीक है ना, this one. So see how can we solve. So here given that, since it is given that sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 plus sine theta 3 equals to 3. Now students, see what is the range of sine anything, sine theta. Since we know that sine theta, the value of sine theta is equals to or greater than -1 but less than or equals to +1. Okay, in sine of any angle, the range of sine any angle is -1 or greater than -1 but less than or equals to 1. तो कभी भी साइन थीटा, कोई भी साइन का हो, उसका वैल्यू 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होता और -1 से कम नहीं होता. अब देखिए, अगर यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं, सपोज दैट वी टॉक अबाउट दिस, तो इट्स वैल्यू शुड बी 1, इट्स वैल्यू शुड बी 1, इट्स वैल्यू शुड बी 1, देन ओनली वी कैन गेट द टोटल वैल्यू एज 3, बिकॉज द साइन थीटा का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू जो होता है वो 1 होता है. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता. तो अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा वैल्यू लेंगे, 1 लेंगे, सबका मैक्सिमम वैल्यू लेंगे, तभी तो 3 तक पहुंच पाएंगे, नहीं तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाएंगे कभी. सो I have decided that sin theta 1 is equals to sin theta 2 is equals to sin theta 3 equals to 1. सब 1 के इक्वल है. अब रह गया मैटर ये है कि 1 होता कब है. साइन थीटा 1, साइन में 1 कब होता है, 90 डिग्री की वैल्यू होता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इट इम्प्लाइड दैट when sin theta 1 equals to 1, when sin theta 2 equals to 1, when sin theta 3 equals to 1, these will be 1 only if theta 1 is equals to 90 degree, theta 2 is also equals to 90 degree, and theta 3 is also equals to 90 degree. Now students, now we have got the value of sin theta 1, sin theta 2, sin theta 3. And we have to find the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Thus we can write that cos theta 1, so 1 is 90 na, so just write 90 plus cos 90, because cos theta 2 is also 90, cos theta 3, so theta 3 is also 90, so we will write again 90. And we know that cos 90's value is always 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Okay, so which one will be correct answer? Yes, this one is correct answer. Understand, student? Now we will understand this question number 4th. Okay, yes, so now next question, you can see that next question say that tan alpha equals to m by m plus 1. In the same way, tan beta equals to 1 by 2m plus 1. Then we have to find alpha plus beta. Okay, so see, so what can we do? So here it is given that tan अल्फा इक्वल्स टू कितना है, m by m plus 1 ना. m by m plus 1. Okay, and tan beta equals to 1 by 2m plus 1. Okay, and we people have to find alpha plus beta. Just we have to find alpha plus beta. So students, just tell me one thing, that suppose that we have to find tan alpha plus beta. Its value you know na, its value we have already studied. Tan a plus b, in the same way tan alpha plus beta equals to, so it will be equals to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, now see, the value of tan alpha is already given, the value of tan beta is already given. So all that we have to do is just to substitute the value of tan alpha beta. In place of tan alpha we will write m plus 1, and in place of tan beta, in place of tan beta, in place of tan alpha, we will put the respective value of tan alpha and tan beta. Okay, so now put, so we can write, just let me change, tan alpha plus beta equals to क्या हो जाएगा, in place of tan alpha what will you write, we will write m plus m by nothing, m plus na, m by m plus 1 and plus tan beta. The value of tan beta is 1 by 2m plus 1, and whole is divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So we will write the value of tan alpha into tan beta. It is m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. Okay, this is one thing and this one is other thing. Okay, now calculate in the next page. So we will write tan alpha plus beta equals to, what you can write, now see what can you write. तो नंबरेटर को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे अलग, डिनोमिनेटर को अलग करेंगे, तो पहले नंबरेटर करते हैं, ठीक ना। तो एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा, m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Okay, and when we can multiply, then 2m square plus m, 2m square plus m and plus m plus 1. Okay, m plus 1, m plus 1, and here will be also m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. अच्छा, एंड इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो फिर इट विल बी हियर m plus 1 into 2m plus 1, and here is minus na, so minus only m. Okay, only m. Now see what can be done. So it's very easy, this one cancel. Okay, and numerator, as a numerator we will get 2m square plus 2m plus 1, and if you can calculate this one, then you will get the same 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Okay, so both are same na, so both can be cancelled out. Okay, and we will get 1. Okay, now students, here we have got that tan alpha plus beta equals to 1. Tan alpha plus beta equals to 1. So now you have to tell me what may be the value of alpha plus beta. मतलब tan में कितने डिग्री का वैल्यू 1 होता है, तो अब cos 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू होता है, और डिग्री की जगह पर क्या है, since in place of degree we have alpha plus beta, so alpha plus beta equals to, there should be pi by 4. This should be the answer. Okay, so which one will be answer? Just see. Yes, of course it is B number will be the answer, because it is pi